I want to bring in NBC News legal analyst Misty Marris, who I hear is also an expert on all things Bravo. So both your legal expertise and your reality TV history.
My worlds come together.
So first, I guess we heard Dana's great report there. Is there a case? Do they have a case, prosecutors?
Based on what we saw, there was a press conference today, and we saw the legal documents, which are really laying out a lot of information that's, quite frankly, on the internet, in the public sphere. So we're looking at the investigation into a burglary that police said there were red flags when they began to investigate. It didn't seem to be consistent with what they saw. All of these receipts of items that were returned. And remember, Tom, when you put in an insurance claim, you're itemizing every single thing in an affidavit, recorded calls. So there's going to be a real paper trail here. Also, communication between the couple, and a warrant was executed on their home. Some of the items that found its way into the insurance claim were found at the home after they were arrested. So sounds like a lot of evidence.
I haven't watched this season. I know it's very popular. Is she popular, and what type of what is her persona on the show, if you will?
She's very popular. She's a professor. She's always involved in the drama with everyone. She's got deep friendships. So she has a very high
flashy
profile
lifestyle. Does she talk about money?
She has beautiful clothes, beautiful home. And yes, there is an element of opulence with all of the Housewives franchise. And, you know, when you're living your life online and also on tape, remember, we're talking about items and a timeline here. What's before the burglary, what's after the burglary. All of that footage from the Real Housewives could be at issue with this case.
How damning is that email, if it is indeed true, where the husband is asking the wife, hey, can we basically amp up this, what was stolen?
Well, everything about a case like this, when you're talking about fraud, leads back to intent. You have to be making these misrepresentations on purpose with the intent to defraud. So that's going to be a critical piece. And by the way, more communications could come.
And Misty, I know you know this, she's not the first Real Housewife, right, to have trouble with the law or to go to prison, right? Jen Shah, Teresa Giudice. I know they said it both ways.
It's Giudice or Giudice. It's been pronounced
right? It's been both ways. And is it Karen Hugger or Huger?
Huger.
Oh, okay, Huger. Okay, I wouldn't have gotten that one right either. So, so what happens when these people, when they go to jail, or look, she could be completely innocent, but when they have legal troubles, do they end up back on the show?
Well, some do. Some are. It's still in limbo. Teresa came back to the show. All others have come back to the show. Others with legal issues. But I will say, you know, when you have these types of cases and you're talking about so much that's on tape, and a high-profile individual, you have a treasure trove of evidence that's out there in the public sphere.
Maybe Andy Cohen's watching. Maybe he's going to invite you onto the show.
Well, I mean,
all right, Misty, we'll see you. Thank you. Now to